This is Dave and Ann, and they're going to show us their camper today and tell us your little doggies' names. This is
Rosie.
And this is
That's Buddy.
Buddy, Rosie and Buddy, and they're camping with them. All right, so Dave is going to be our guide, and he's going to tell us about the camper. And what year is it and the make?
It's a 1965 Cardinal. This is the first trip we ever took in it.
Oh, so it's brand new to them.
Just got through rebuilding the inside of it. Took about a year. Had to completely do everything.
So come in behind me here and he can explain it. So first over here, what is this here?
That's the shower right there.
This is the shower.
Yeah, a little shower.
Well, can get this out of the way. There you go. You've got actually a lot of room in there.
Yeah, it's bigger than I thought it was going to turn out.
Yep. And look at all this nice wood. So here's the kitchen.
All this wood is called Northern Pacific cedar.
And I love the refrigerator.
It's a little vintage Magic Chef refrigerator and matching
coffee
microwave.
Maker, microwave. Look at that. Everything matches. So here's the woodwork. She's even got matching canisters.
If we open this door, we have a toilet in there.
Fully functional.
And it's got a tankless hot water heater that never runs out of water. As long as it's running, it's hot.
Alright.
That's the best thing since sliced cheese.
And out here, it's got a little fireplace, a dinette. Now, does that bed go bigger, or do you put this one down?
No, I put this one down. Ann sleeps over here, and I put that one down. It's on a swing arm where that table comes down real fast, and I can turn it into a bed in about 4 minutes.
Alright. So this is really nice. Because during the day, you've got your dinette.
Yeah, during the day we got the dinette, and at night
I like all the woodwork.
Make a table. This is the first trip. We're enjoying it.
And how long is the trailer? What size is it?
It's 16 foot.
It's got a roof AC. And what's the weight? Do you know the weight?
I don't know. I'm guessing around probably 2,500 pounds. It may not be that heavy, but it's got to be at least 2,000.
So that's the bathroom there, the shower. I'm trying to get back so I can get a better full view here, and that's where the toilet is. It's like a little cabin. And then there's the dinette. And over there, the kitchen.
When I bought it, there was no kitchen in it at all. That was originally where the kitchen was, but it had all been ripped out, and there was just a bed up here made out of 2x6s. Originally, it didn't have a shower. It only had a toilet, which was over here where the shower is.
Well, it looks really nice, Dave. You think so?
Rosie likes it.
All right.
She sleeps great in it.
I'm going to show outside a little bit. Look at these knobs on the microwave. I'm going to see outside. Thank you for showing us, Dave.
Thank you for looking.
There it is. It's pretty. All the little touches make it nice and homey. All right, thanks, Dave.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching. Thank you, Ann.